let's get into it. Okay, here's the box. And I'm pretty excited to get into this. Like I said, the auction said huge 1970s lot, which means the cards can be from any year in the 70s. And I'm excited to see what cards I can add to my collection, as I don't have too many cards from the 70s. I've been working on the 76 set. So, let's see what we got here. We got the old SportLots receipt. All right, put that off to the side here. Here's our box. SportLots. So I got two boxes. All right, well, that's interesting. That's everything in here. We'll put that over here. Get our handy dandy knife. Okay. There we go. That's box number 1.